Faculty and prospective faculty. This brief talk is about effectiveness of faculty. I want to welcome all of you to this talk and ask you to prepare some questions which we'll take during the question and answer time. So faculty effectiveness has to do with how good a faculty is with teaching the students and abiding with the rules of the university. Every university teacher or faculty has been prepared. Majority have at least a master's degree for you to teach in the university, whether undergraduates or postgraduates. But for postgraduate students, whether you are teaching in person or online, you have been tutored, you have been schooled, you have been prepared through your academic struggles and studies to be who you are. So irrespective of the fact that you have education as your background or no, you can be a good faculty. In other words, somebody who has a PhD in biology can teach undergraduates and graduates biology, whether their background was education or no education. So the most important thing in faculty effectiveness is how prepared are you, and how prepared you are has to do with your evaluation of yourself, self-evaluation and self-education. You know, before you can do well as a faculty, you must be consistently evaluating yourself in every work that you do. Enter into a classroom, by the time you come out, how did I do in that classroom? Was I able to do it well, or did I not do it well? And then tell yourself the truth. Where you didn't do it well, you should be able to know and be objective. Don't be like that person that goes and looks at himself in the mirror and thinks that is somebody else is looking at. And so, because if you can evaluate yourself effectively, and then definitely when the evaluation comes from the university or the students, then you'll be able to say yes. In fact, you will know areas of improvement even before the evaluation comes from the school authorities. So what you need to do is self-instruction. Tell yourself, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to abide by the rules of the university, I need to do well by the students. Because whether you like it or not, even though you are their teacher and you have the superiority, they are evaluating you, and the university also takes a 360 degrees evaluation by asking the students without your knowledge. The university evaluates you and looks at what you are doing. You may not even know, especially on online. Somebody can log in without you knowing that this is a university eye that's looking at you. So you need to work hard. Okay, and I think it's very important for you to be humble. Do not ever think that you know it all. When you humble yourself, you learn from the university, you learn from your colleagues, and you also learn from the students. You as a faculty must be ready to be learning all the time, and that consistent learning is what is going to assist you to excel, because as you are learning, you are doing self-evaluation, you are instructing yourself, and you have to be diversified as well, because questions can come from any angle, and if you don't get it and you are not humble enough to even explore how to get answers to the question, then there's a problem. Okay, so here it's important. The most important thing is to remember that my success as a faculty equal to my self-evaluation, self-instruction, and the university and the student evaluation on the other hand. So as I give space to other faculties to also present their own, please prepare any question that you have, and we give question during the question and answer. I'll be able to address some of the questions. Take care, and God bless you, and resolve, not just having come in as a faculty, resolve to do the best of it, because there must be something that drove you to coming in as a faculty. Thank you, and God bless.